Now I know if you're one of my subscribers, you know I'm crazy at the outlet mall, and you know I get some good deals. So what I want to talk about here is this Fly sneaker I picked up recently at the Dixie Outlet Mall opening. It's pretty insane, you know? It costs $215 retail. Obviously, you should know I didn't pay that much. What you should know is I paid very little for them. 85 Canadian dollars plus tax. You know, this is a Presto. I don't have very much experience with them, but I found them pretty comfortable, so I think I threw them on in the store for about 2 or 3 minutes, and I decided, you know what, I might just have to pick them up. And for the video, I will be putting them on. I'm gonna stop it down a little bit so that you can see how green they are. I think that looks perfect. I think they look even more yellow in person than they do on camera. So let's see if I can get, no, I think that's as good as I can get. So I'm gonna throw these on here, show you how insane they look on foot, and let you know that yes, they are super comfortable. Great little running shoe, walking shoe. I don't feel like there's that much support, or what's the correct word I'm looking for? I don't feel like it's a safe shoe to wear while playing basketball, obviously, but it's just a running shoe, you know? Just a good old walking shoe. I think they look super fire. This gorgeous little Presto logo right here. Nike logo down here. I feel like I have great little arch support right here for the arch in my foot. Other than that, I mean, the sneakers look great. In my opinion, there's not much to argue about there. I had them on my booth at SneakerCon, but honestly, a bunch of people just made fun of the color. I don't think they realize how fire it looks on foot. So if you're one of those people, better check out this video and realize. Anyway, if you liked the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.